What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into another video. We'll be transforming this into this. Stay tuned. Let's get it. For the first step, we're gonna get our chicken clean. With this, we're gonna use a little white vinegar, just a little bit, not a lot. Next, we're gonna get the water off the chicken as much as possible. Ingredients: tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of dried thyme. Man, this is gonna be tasty when it's done. Tablespoon of onion powder. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Half tablespoon of black pepper. Tablespoon of paprika. I missed that footage, y'all. Don't cuss. Next, half tablespoon of ginger powder. Last but not least, we got them pimento seeds. I crushed a little bit of it. Trust me, guys, this have a lot of flavor in it. Now it's time to rub in our seasoning. Look at that. Look at that. Easy does it, squad. Trust me, this chicken is gonna be banging. Make sure you flip it over. You get all that seasoning on the inside. You don't need to add any more seasoning. Just whatever is in the pan, that'll work. Now it's time to put it in a container, and we're gonna toss it in the fridge. "30 minutes minimum. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now, if you don't have an oil spray, you don't have to use it. Yo, I wish y'all could smell this right now. Bake for 45 to 60 minutes. Sauce time. At this point, I'm freestyling my sauce. Sweet barbecue to ketchup, some honey. That'll be it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Now, I'll be brushing my sauce onto my chicken. Let me tell you something, this chicken didn't even need no sauce. No cap. Easy does it, squad. I wish y'all could have smelled this. Banging. Y'all need to try this recipe. Let me know how it went down. And the moment you've been waiting for. YouTube, let me know what you think about my recipe. Give your boy a thumbs up if you like the content. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. That way you can get the latest content. Trust me, I'll be putting out straight bangers. Easy does it, squad. Until next time, peace.